him my love. Her voice is at heaven's delight, bright as the stars above. Hear her sing in the wind, near the soaring heights. Hear her sing in the wind, long into the night. Waters of the riverbed, tell me where'd she go? I could hear her mournful weep under the old willow. I'd be there still her cry, keep her face from the tears. I'd be there still her cry, save her from her grief. But the waters are bleeding, they turn red tonight. Oak tree at the forest cross, how did she go astray? Since she knows every stone and rock and shadow by the name. Now when the lights so dim guide her on